I'm Natalie and I'm one of the trainers at Cirrusli. This is a tutorial to show you how to create a bank rule in Xero. First off, navigate to the bank rec screen. Then scroll through to find the transaction you want to create your bank rule for. Here we found Central City Parking and I'm going to click Create Rule. Because we're creating the bank rule straight from the bank reconciliation screen, Xero will pre-fill the boxes in box 1 for us. So question 1 is asking us what we need to look for on the bank statement. So we want Xero to find all the following information. Now first off, we can see that Xero has pulled its information from the payee field within the bank statement. So bearing this in mind, we're going to scroll down to question 5, set the reference. So we're going to tell Xero that when it creates this new transaction in Xero for us, it's to take the information contained within the payee field of the bank statement. Back on question 1, we are now going to change it so that any text field must contain our relevant information, in this case Central City Parking. Question 2, set the contact. So we want the contact to be Central City Parking because that's where we parked. Question 3 relates to fixed value items, and as this is parking, this is going to be a variable amount depending on how long we're parked. So we're going to ignore question 3 in this instance, move straight to question 4, which is for a variable amount. We're going to fill in question 4 with an appropriate description, and then we're going to choose the relevant chart of account code for what our transaction was for, in this case travel costs, and we'll choose an appropriate VAT rate for the transaction. At this stage you can use the tracking category. In this demo company it's entitled region. We're not using it for this case. The question 5 we've already answered. Question 6 asks us about the target bank account, and question 8 asks us to give the rule a title. Back in the bank reconciliation screen, we can now see that our bank rule has been successfully saved, and if we scroll down we can now see that it's working. Xero is finding the appropriate transactions and giving us the ability to use that rule. So each time we use that rule, a brand new transaction is created and entered into our accounts according to the parameters that we gave it as part of the rule. If we go to the final page of the bank rec on this screen, we'll see it has continued to work further on. If you need any more help or support, please find me at my website www.cirrusli.co.uk. Good luck creating bank rules!